All pro again. Here with another nice little property that Anthony's gonna get up there and knock some of that gutter stuff. It's a gutter cleaning call. Actually, is what this is a customer called me about 2 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago. Wanted a quote for the whole package, so I quoted him, and he was like, "All right, sounds good. Let me check around and blah blah blah." And anyway, he came back and says he hired someone else. So anyway, one of my local competitors came out, had a pressure washer on the roof, and this competitor is not a fly-by-night, at least I don't think. Well, maybe he is. Anyway, he did a bad job. So come to find out, he calls me back, says, "I need you back here." Screw to the next. So we redoing his driveway, the whole driveway. So I get more into that in a minute. I'm just trying to find a hose. So let me go do this and I'll catch up with you. All right, peace. Here's the driveway that they did. So as what the customer told me is they did the driveway first, blew off all the roof, and left it all on the concrete after they did it. So anyway, he admitted he made the wrong decision, but we got him on an annual and every other month on a gutter cleaning. So we're good. We'll go catch up with you in a minute. All right, peace. I'm gonna go ahead and start surface cleaning while Anthony finishes up. Got a bypass in the on position, which for me, on means full flow. Sometimes people do it the other way. It's up to you. Ball valve's open. And come up. See how she cranks. Like a beast. Like a beast. So we got full flow. Hose busted, look. Still getting water, but got a decognitive, got a hose bust on the feed lead. So anyway, I know I got to do that next. All right, guys, but look, this is what we did. Sustain, man, it ain't coming out. Surface cleaned it. So this is where we're gonna up our pre to post treat. So I'm probably gonna go with a 3% at least, maybe even 4%, just to get rid of that stuff. All right, guys, catch up. Peace. Another gutter cleaning request. See here, nice big soprano style house. I'll show you the back here in a minute. Bunch of gutters. So we're gonna start in the back. I'm gonna use the good old blue, Little Giant. Yeah, got some high gutters. So we're hoping to utilize that blower today. Get them cleaned up. I hope they'll have the reaches. We got a 28 footer, so we're gonna find out here in a minute. But I got this job off of doing the neighbor's gutters. He came out with a nice, gave him a gutter cleaning quote, and we got the deal. So anyway, show you back here. A beautiful house, beautiful pool. They just got home. I don't want to be all in the window filming them, but nice gazebo, kitchen area. We're gonna do these two things first. Work our way on the low sides and get that high side last. So, all right, let us get set up and we'll catch up. All right, you 72 foot, the guy 75 foot. He told me lap pool, little sections you can get out, big jacuzzi tub, nice spread, big soprano spread. Huh? Just through the blower here.
I got to.
But so yeah, we're using our attachment here for the low stuff. It's working out pretty good. About to demonstrate how it works. Beast mode. Again, it was 50. 60 bucks. Had to order it. Of course, nobody stocks anything anymore, so ordered it through Home Depot. Got it in about a week. And things already paid for itself in some. So let's Tony demonstrate. All right, Anthony.
Yeah, let me get it right.
He's gonna get it right now, guys. Don't give him a hard time. There you go. So you can twist the ends, make it any configuration you want. And we're gonna demonstrate how this works. There you go. Look at that. So I guess he's gonna blow it at us. There you go. Look at that. See a good view. There's hardly anything in that gutter. See a bunch of the shingle dust. There you go. So it's coming out. And we always try to blow the downspouts too. Of course, we assume this one's gonna go here. So we'll check the downspout. Anyway, that's it. We'll get the big ladder here in a minute and get on them high peaks. Wrap this up, call it a day. Alright guys, done. Just wrapping this high stuff up. As you can tell, using good old Mr. Gutter tool, because we can't blow this one toward the house because it'll blow everything on the house. You can see that. So we got stuff all in there, so we're gonna pull it to us. Just drop it and then we'll blow all this against the fence and then bag it up. That's what we do. We'll blow all this into here, and then yeah, that's all we got. So we'll blow it all into a fence line or something. Then it's easier to bag up. We got rakes as well. So we got all that done, all that back done. Those canopies looking good. All right guys, catch up with you in a minute. We're trying to wrap it up. Get a little late on a Friday. All right, peace. Glad to be back at the house. Got everything wrapped up. Anthony got his covering up done, and we got all our gutter cleaning done. Anyway, we just marinating back at the house. Gonna go back to that commercial job. They got hit pretty hard. It got delayed on me a couple weeks, and I need to close that job out. I'm trying to close it out this month to get paid. So I'm hoping tomorrow when we get there, we're able to do a lot. All we got to do is wash. That's it. Everything's done. We just got to wash. So we're gonna get that done. Oh, by the way, I had that little, I want to show you guys that leak. I had to stop and do a little quick repair job, but I got it done. Instead of going back to Northern Tool, I just took a piece of 3/4 inch hose, got some barbs, 3/4 inch garden to a barb, 3/4 inch hose, and just made my own hose. It works perfect. So had to get that fixed right away because we got too much on the books. In fact, I'm gonna go and get some bleach in the morning on the way to the job, fill up, fresh SH, and get the rolling. So I get some footage on that commercial property, and went and looked at 2 more today in between jobs. So business is booming, blessed. Keep it coming. Like the calls, comments. Please like, sub, keep them coming. All right, peace.